We're on the home stretch for this episode of Australia by Design Innovations. Which projects will our design industry judges select to go through to the final? Now, wastewater management from Tasmania.
Streamwise is using artificial intelligence to treat industrial water waste. It's saving money for our food producers and it's cleaning up our waterways. I'm impressed.
Stop for a second and imagine that I am a cheese maker. It's what I do, it's what I live for, it's what I love. But unfortunately, it also means that I have to be a wastewater treatment manager, which isn't so great. This is a bit smelly here, isn't it?
It is, Ali. We're at a dairy plant today and there's a lot of wastewater that comes from the processing of the different products that they're making here. And they've got to treat the wastewater before putting it out to sewer.
So what's the problem with putting this sort of water in the sewage system?
It might be acidic or caustic and you can't have that going into the sewer. Otherwise it could degrade the sewer lines or otherwise cause blockages and things like that. We pick up what the constituents of the water are, pH and solids levels and everything like that. And then we control the chemical dosing pumps to remove all the organics out of the water and also correct the pH before it goes out to the sewer lines. It's called a DAF, a dissolved air flotation system, and with the chemical changes that happens in the water, it just lifts all those solids up to the top, so you end up with the fats and oils and proteins, things like that on the top, and then the clean water cascades over the back end of the plant. Traditionally, you'd have people manning this operation just to check what's happening with the water chemistry, and since we've installed this Streamwise system, it's checking the operation of the chemistry all the time, so it operates 24/7. So on one of the sites where we're using this system, the quality of the water off the back end of the DAF is really consistent and good quality, so we're able to reuse that water on site for washing down cattle yards, so it saves money for the customer too.
I actually have 3 service operators that work a 4-on 4-off to maintain this plant. They all have their own little quirks about how they run the plant, and it's quite manually intensive. Having this system online now is estimated to be a couple $100,000 worth of savings due to council charges and also chemical usage. We now have that chemicals being maintained to the levels that are required rather than the guesswork my service operators used to do in trying to manage the DAF plant.
While Streamwise is also great for cost saving and efficiency, what I really love about it is that by combining smart technology with our natural resources, you only have to take what you need. And when we're talking millions of litres of water a day, it makes a huge difference.
Large-scale integrated life and work developments are on the rise. International towers are really innovating the way that we bring people and places together.